What is it, guys? It's your boy Omlet here. Basically, in today's video, I'm basically going to show you guys how to edit videos in Dragon Ball Legends or Dragon Battle, however you guys wanna say. Like, first, we're just gonna do a quick fight. So basically, there's a few apps we're gonna need to use. Okay, for basically, if you're on Android, you're gonna have to find a recording device, something to record your video with. Because I'm not Android, I'm an Apple person. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna have to find something that you can record your screen with. If you're on Apple device, depending on what version you have, because on some versions of Apple and iPad, you have to like find a different thing to record with. But on some videos, you have a self-recording option. Guys, you have a self-recording option on some of the iPhones, I'm on iPhone 7, so I can record my video without having to basically without having to download another software. But obviously my one's got a pre-built-in recording software that I can use without having to download anything. I'm going to show you how to do that. Well, the first thing you're going to need for me is I use iMovie and I use KineMaster. For Android, you can use KineMaster though for Android, and also you can also use something called Omlet Arcade, which can record your videos without you having to. Well, it's complicated, but it's not really complicated. You can use something called Omlet Arcade, and I'm going to show you how you can use that. Omlet Arcade is both for Android and iOS, but if you've got an iOS version that's above it, like from iPhone 7, I think, is that you don't need to use Omlet Arcade. So basically, you're gonna need two apps. You're gonna need where is it? Okay, so basically you're gonna need iMovie here if you're on iOS version, and KineMaster for iPhone as well. KineMaster is both for iPhone and Android, by the way. Okay, and Omlet Arcade, if I open Omlet Arcade, that's only for people who don't have a recording thing for your phone, or like a pre-built-in recording for your phone. Obviously for Android, if you don't have a recording thing, you're gonna need a recording thing to record your screen on your phone. Wait, can you record with Android? Or you can just use this to record, by the way, guys. Your screen. That for iPhone, I'm on iPhone, so what you would want to do, you go to says live. Okay, you choose. Okay, so basically if you go on my wall, you can choose only me. That's only you're gonna see it. I use this to do live streams sometimes, but if you want to change, you can choose on my wall, PUBG, or what other one. The wall, that means anyone can see your videos that you do, by the way. So if you go next, and if you go on, so this is where you choose your game you want. You can search for games there, whatever games you want. Describe your stream, that's your title. The description is in here. You can choose event. There's no events. You can choose your quality. You only get a few options, obviously. From there, you can do auto. You can choose whether you want to do portrait or landscape, or you can put in auto, so that if we rotate your screen, it will rotate on its own. But if you put on portrait, it will just stay like this. If you put on landscape, it will be like this. That's landscape. This is landscape, so it won't change. So if you go back on orientation, then put on portrait, we'll go back to portrait, if you go on auto, basically if I put my phone in sideways, it will go sideways. If I put it back on normal, it will go normal. But I put on portrait depending on what I'm recording, or sometimes I put on auto depending on what. Okay, so obviously, okay, so after that, if you go on top right, there's a setting thing, so you can choose whether you want to put safety device or not. If you're on Android, if you're using this, I recommend you to put safety device. Or if you're on an iPhone lower that doesn't have this option here, you see the red circle button there, the recording screen, that's pre-built in by Apple. If you don't have that, you can use, I'll recommend you using this app. Then go on suggest. All you have to do is just search in Omlet Arcade. I will leave the link in the description for all of these apps. Okay, I will leave the links in the description. So let's get started. So obviously, if I'm on iMovie, I'll have to go to iMovie, and then I have to obviously choose the video I want. I'll go movie. So basically, this video isn't done yet. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the video right here, guys. Well, I'm not ending the video. I just need to stop the recording so I can save this. So I can save this video and then edit it, and then I'll show you how to edit it. So I'll be back in a few seconds. Okay, guys. I'll see you in about 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now I'm going to show you how to edit my videos. Like I said, if you're on Android, you're gonna have to find something, another screen recorder or whatever you want to use. Omlet Arcade, best option for you guys. So let's go on iMovie. So let's say I wanna let's close iMovie and I'll show you. So if you go on iMovie, right, you go where it says projects, you click that, then you press where it says new projects, you press movie. Don't do trailer, do movie. Press on movie. Once you press it, it will show you a video which you want to do. So my video is right here. I'll click on my video, and then it says go and create a movie. I'll create a movie. So now it's time to edit this video. So what I'm going to do is that I won't edit it to the fullest, right, guys? I'll leave it right there. So what we want to do, obviously, in here, what you want to do is you can edit your video however you want to do it. You can press there, edit. You can trim. If you put split a video, and then like let's say you don't want a bit. Okay, let's say you create a bit, right? You can go there. You can put split. Let's say you don't want this bit of the video, the smaller bit. You go, it says delete, and it will delete it. Or you done. Okay, guys. Now press obviously back because I need that video, because that's my start of the video. So let's say once you've done what you guys want to do, you just want to press down. I'm gonna press share. I'm gonna press this button there, below the edit button on the middle, the share button. You press that. Then you want to press save to project. I'm just gonna save your project. Let's do HD20, and then just wait for it to load. I'm going to skip this bit of the video, guys, and wait for it to be done. Okay, I'm just gonna let it do this for now. Then I'm going to edit this bit to make it faster for you guys. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, guys, so my video is done editing now. So obviously, well, like I said, I'm gonna have to edit the other bit. Okay, so now the next step, what you want to do once you've done your video, you've edited it, you've done your edit, I'm going to show you how to put your video in KineMaster, and how to put the art like on the side, on both of the side. But the next thing you also want to do, which I forgot to tell you guys on iMovie, which I need to do this now. I'm gonna go and edit again. I forgot to tell you guys what you have to do. You have to go and set. No, you have to click the video, You have to click this, click top right there. You have to click this bit, make it zoom in, go on that as well, make it zoom in. You have to click the video, you have to click here, guys, and then press that zooming button on the top right, the zooming button, not the question mark, on both of these to make it look like this, but you're gonna need it to be like that. And then you're gonna press down, or you're gonna have to save it again, which I forgot to do. And I'm going to spare you guys the moment of fast forwarding it. Alright? So guys, the next step of what you need to do now is you need to open KineMaster. Once you open KineMaster, what you guys want to do, obviously it's going to be showing like this. Let's rotate the screen now. Okay, obviously you want to click the big middle button there. That's on the left side of the screen, the big middle button there. Click that. What you want to click, you want to do 16:9. Click on that. What you want to do is click on media, click on all. You're gonna have to look for the video that you just did. So now you're on KineMaster. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to just press back. You want to press this thing again, 16:9, 10. And go on media. You're gonna go on all. You're gonna go on the video that you guys wanted to click. You obviously do that, put it there, put OK, and your video should be in there. Okay, so the next thing, guys, what you want to do is layers. Okay, so what you want to do, guys, if you want to add the art on the side, it's a simple thing you need to do. Just go on layer, just go on effect, no, not effect, go on media. You have to go on layer first, don't go on media, don't go here where it says media. Okay, don't do that, guys. You want to go on layer, you're gonna go on media there on top there, you're gonna go on photo, and then you obviously you get the photo that you guys wanted to use. You press OK off. Now you press on the picture, it comes up there, and then obviously you have to just put your photo where you want. Just edit, it's that simple. Go on layer again, go on media, go where it says photo, right there underneath video, photo, go on all again, go on your next photo you want to add, and then you just put it there. Also, you're gonna have to edit a bit of that, just do that, just put it there. It's done. It's very simple. What you want to do next, if you go down here underneath there, if you click this and then drag it down till your video gets basically all the way to the end, and I will probably skip this video to help you guys in the future. I can either skip it or just let you watch it. Okay, actually I won't skip it because I need to show you what the next thing you guys need to do. Let's go all the way till it reaches 11. All the way, keep going all the way, all the way, all the way. Oh, we're almost there. Just keep going, keep going. You guys can skip this if you want. Oh, oh my god, I passed it. Just do that. Hold on. Just do till it gets there. Then you wanna go back all the way again. Go all the way back. Or you can just press this button here. If you press this button, it just takes it straight away. This button there. Oh, not that. So obviously, if you click it, right, you can. We'll just take it all the way there. You see that? What you wanna do is just drag it again till you reach 11 again. Just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. this will be the side art will be on the thing for the whole time, so you don't have to re-edit again. Let's go all the way. Just keep doing this, and this video is gonna be uploaded very soon. I'm gonna edit it again in iMovie because I'm recording. But you guys don't have to record in iMovie again to edit in iMovie. I'm gonna need to do edit in iMovie because I have to put it together. Okay, so you're still going all the way till you reach 11. You guys can skip this if you want to. It's kind of long, I know. Editing is very long to do, guys. But this, must skip it. Hold on. Just trying to make sure it's even. So you just play it and there. Good. Hold on. Guys, it doesn't come up properly. It's the only reason why it won't show properly what I'm doing. Obviously, because I'm just recording, editing it right now, yeah, guys. So it should be very simple. It doesn't really matter. You just do that, guys. If you're making your Dragon Ball Legend videos, you just basically need to do that, and then after that you press save. You export it. There's no really point of doing this because it's already gonna be in HD quality. So do the lowest one because what you wanna do here when you reach here, guys, you're gonna need to press escape. You don't worry, guys. You don't have to pay for any of this stuff. You just press the skip button on the top right. Press escape. Sometimes it asks you, it will ask you to watch a video before you skip it, so just be advised, it will ask you to watch a video. I'm going to skip this when it's done recording, okay, when it's done editing. And guys, another thing, don't open, you have to leave the phone like this. You can't go on the other app, it won't download. It can be on iPhone, right? It will be you can't download. Even a low battery message can't come up. A phone call will basically, it will stop the exporting and you're gonna have to export the video again. Nothing can interrupt this. So the best thing for you guys to do, I would say, put your phone in airplane mode and then record your videos. I mean, like, record your video when you're exporting it, right? Put on airplane mode, turn your Wi-Fi on, leave it like that. Make sure the low battery thing doesn't come up. And no one gives you a call, otherwise it will affect the downloading, including iMovie 2 and other apps you might have for Android as well to download. So it's just an advice. And I'm going to skip this. So guys, that should be it, guys. When it's done exporting, you can basically upload it to YouTube whenever. Okay guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys, and thank you for watching my video.